And what we'll be looking for in the next upcoming week. So what we did, we flip our phone to the horizontal view, right? So you guys can have a better clean view of the chart. Also, you can see we switch to line graph. So you can see we can put candlestick back on, but for now, we're going to switch to line graph so you guys can have a better look and see what we are going to be showing you guys throughout this time. So now that we have US30 on our daily time frame, right? So you can see overall US30 have been bullish. So let's put back some candlestick on, right? So you can see US30 have been bullish overall, and it's been respecting the highs here, which is right there, and lows, right, which is basically support and resistance. Yeah, some people may call it supply and demand zone, right? So if you look at the overall market trend here, as you can see where we had that massive hit, I think was last year March. Yes, last year March we had that big hit, yeah, when we had the pandemic, yeah, which was COVID. And then you can see US30 have been recovering from since then. Remember, I've mentioned before that we're going to focus on more indices this upcoming year. So I'm going to show you guys some opportunities where you can look to buy and sell US30. So after we had this bullish run, yeah, you can see what happened. Price did break out, yeah, this bullish trend right at the top, yeah, and a lot of people would have get caught selling the market because they saw that break and retest phase right there. They would have looked for the market to retest here, and they would have get caught selling the market there. Yes, they would have made some profit, but they would have all get stopped out, yeah. If you look at the current market now, what you can see is that US30 have been creating an expanding type triangle formation, just where we have these support and resistance trend line pull. Yeah, so you got 1, 2, 3, and our 4 touches. Yeah, and you can see we have at the top we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 touches. Yeah, that's exactly where it's our all-time high. We have our last touch on that expanding type triangle pattern. Now you come closer here, you can see that's our resistance area where we highlighted there. If you move to your lower time frame, but we are going to just break down on the daily first. Yeah, so overall I'm looking for US30 to come back down into this area right there. Overall around, let me just tell you, around 34,711 will be my next target to see buyers step in the market on US30, sorry. Yeah, so around that area there will be my zone where I want to see buyers step in the market to take price long on US30. If I see price come down and break below that area, yeah, then what I want you guys to notice is that we still have some support at the bottom in play that can still be tested, yeah, where we have our blue horizontal trend line. You might see price move back to that level and test that area before going long, yeah. But however, potentially we're going to look for a buy around that area where you see I've drawn my rectangle. So if you move to your 4-hourly time frame now and you zoom into your chart, what you're going to see is a much clearer view on US30. So let's just put our line chart in view, right? So you can see how price has been respecting this line chart, yeah, giving us highs and lows here in between this channel. Yeah, so now that we're at the top of this channel, what you think we're going to look for? We're going to look for selling opportunities, yeah. So if you move back to your hourly time frame and put your candlesticks on, let me just show you. You can see where last week where price came up and then it did break. So where you see price gave us that high, where it came up there. So let me just show you. You can see where it break, where the market came and give us that high. You can see came up and break, yeah, this previous support, which is a change of the characteristic for me overall, yeah. So after it changed that characteristic, if you zoom in, you can see price came back down and break this level of support. After this level of support have been broke, yeah, if you zoom in to your chart, you can see the market did close below this area. And what I like, that price did close below. You can see price is just in a retesting phase now. So my next level of support that I want to see price potentially move back into will be this level right there, which is this resistance, sorry. So we want to see something like this. So why did it draw on a Fibonacci? I didn't ask for a Fibonacci, sorry about that. So let me just show you what I mean. So we want to see something like that on on US30. So once we get a bull run here, potentially we're gonna see some bullish move towards the upside on US30 to move back into that area there and then give us that lower high tested bar on the higher time frame, which is the 4-hourly, and then after that we're gonna get that move towards the downside. So let's just put it back on our line chart so you can see much clearer. Yeah, so overall that's my thoughts on US30 for this upcoming weeks, and I hope this helped. Thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.